Hi guys, welcome to another video. Some nice little cafe sort of bars along here. So I'm going to have to talk because we have got music on. We've got the Brooklyn there. A few of them are closed at the moment for renovations. And of course we've got Starbucks here on the end. We've got restaurants, El Parente, Buffet Libre over there, sushi and Chinese restaurant. Now, a lot of the cafe bars aren't open at the minute today, which is a bit surprising. I'm just going to pop my sunglasses down because that sun is a bit bright. So my gimbal has a slight mind of its own today. Keeps going up and down and moving about on its own. So we've got a Sara there. Now I've got a nice little cafe bar there, Santa Gloria Coffee and Bakery. Got Santander Bank there. Excuse me guys. Caldazonia there.
Which one is the bigger?
And Primo. Another nice little cafe bar there. Thanks for watching the video guys. Hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.